Ano ba? Ayaw mo na ba? Pagod ka na ba? Ano? So ayaw mo na nga. Pagod ka na? Naman oh, para akong taga dito, putak na putak, wala namang nakikinig sa akin.
Oo! Pagod na ako! Pagod na akong maglinis ng mga kalat mo. Pagod na akong mag-aral. Pagod na akong magtrabaho. Pagod na akong isipin kung paano mo nagkakayang panuorin ng akong magkanda ko. Pakakuha na ng pangbayad ng putang inang kuryente at tubig na yan! Habang ikaw, ayan, patuloy pa rin sa lintik na passion na yan! Puros passion! Hindi tayo makapakain ng passion na yan!
She wasn't angry at them. She was just tired. Tired of pretending she was okay. Tired of carrying everything alone. The pressure from work, family, bills, and her own silent struggle piled up until one day, it all came out. She snapped at the people she loved, not because she wanted to hurt them, but because she didn't know how else to release the weight she was holding. Afterward, she cried, not out of anger, but from guilt. That's when she realized she needed to face her stress, not just survived it.
Can you tell me your name and in what grade do you teach in?
Okay. My name is Chito Ampado. I am teaching in grade 1.
How long have you been a teacher?
It is almost 12 years teaching in grade 1.
Why did you choose to become a teacher?
Teacher is very within that sa tawag na kanang noblest profession. For me, ang pagtudlo kinahanglan ba nas ang dughan ba na ako na lang nas tugan na makuan gust mga bata mapili gust ng bata mo sa ang dughan na ako ang dughan sa mga bata na mo teach to learn.
What things usually make you feel stressed at work?
For me, as a teacher, there are many extra activity, many reports. That's the teacher feel stress
No.
for me.
So kanang mga wala dili ang tabuhaton sa teacher gibuhat.
Mga muna, buhatin sa dili angay buhatin sa teachers.
Okay. What's the most stressful part of teaching grade 1?
Okay, the most stressful part in teaching grade 1, the different behavior, the different unruly behavior. That's the very hardest behavior, like grade 1. Kinalisuran na ito ng grade 1 tungkol sa mga nakalanlaing mga behavior nila.
Okay. How do you keep calm when your students are noisy or hard to manage?
For me, naay daghang pamaagi kung manage sa school, sa ang room. I will raise my very high tone to manage my class so that the pupils will listen, di ba? Tapos ko nagkaunting para maminaw ang bata. I will raise my high tone and voice so that the people will listen.
So musinggit ka.
Singgit ko kaya para paminaon ka. Hindi ka musinggit ka magkinahinay. Medyo ka paminaon. Samot kay grade 1 man I will raise my high tone, then raise my high tone so that the people will listen.
Listen. Okay. Next question is, who do you talk to when you're feeling overwhelmed?
Okay. When I feel overwhelmed, I will talk to my partner during lunchtime. I'll talk to her, like mga extra mga gibuhat sa mga pupils, mga teachers, the teachers.
Do hobbies or things you enjoy help you manage stress?
When I feel stress, right after the class, I will make a real vlog in order to release my stress. Diba? Pag-imo ko mga reels vlog para maisag akong kalagot, enjoyment lang sa akong as a teacher right after the class.
So pila namang followers sa Facebook?
Maybe murag almost 15K na ako
Yeah.
followers gamay ra, pero na-enjoy magyapon si Long mo ko lang tawag.
Ano sa manong kasagaran nga buhaton sa kuan sa Reels?
Doing my cooking time, then after the class, then enjoyment for fun, for entertainment, doing to make them funny videos, makalingaw ang mga tao.
I-appeal po mo yung mga students, ana.
Masugyan po, ma-appeal po na sa kanang bitang naka sa room. Ako silang, mohatag kong nila ka ng motivation na mo ko'y panghatag ng mga basahon. Ako may panagaan. Amin ko, sa may itong buhaton sa akong basahon. Kay maghatag ko ninyo og mga first then or mahimo mo first rank top mo natapuan mo na kung buhaton ninyo na.
So, ito ta sa last question. Has stress ever affected how you treated your students or co-teachers?
Okay, I will manage myself not to hurt the learners because it is a duty to manage yourself not to hurt someone or a co-teacher. Imo gud yung paningkamutan na dili high blood kay as a teacher. I will manage myself to calm, not to hurt someone or a learners because it is my duty to teach, not to hurt someone para magpadayon ta sa atong gibuhat sa atong as a teachers.